company can lay you off because they're trying to copy. Companies in tech, media, finance have slashed thousands of jobs in past few months. Professor Jeffrey Pfeiffer from Stanford University points out that, but just a herd mentality. Now, this is when humans copy each other's behavior. Like if you're standing in a traffic light and you inch your car a few centimeters, you see others also doing the same thing. Now, this sort of a behavior is true even for companies. A lot of companies were hiring during the pandemic, so everybody started hiring. Now the companies are laying off everybody, so everybody decides to follow the suit. Companies do not realize, but hiring and firing can be very expensive. First you pay the recruiters, then you pay the headhunters, you even pay bonuses to get the people on board. But when you fire people, you end up paying severance packages, and they all blame it on the economic downturn rather than doubting their own long-term thinking. Here are the 4 reasons why firing sends us down the spiraling hole. Number one, when people no longer have jobs, the purchasing power goes down. That means the purchasing activities go down. So layoffs are creating the very economic downturn that we are supposedly trying to protect ourselves against. Companies try to justify the layoffs by saying that the demand has dropped. So the company stops spending money behind advertising its products, which affects the media companies like Meta and Google. In fact, the demand has dropped because people are scared. This is a catch-22 situation. Number three, layoffs are stressful, and stress leads to some bunch of unhealthy behavior. Research has shown that the layoffs can cause a 15 to 20% of death rates in the affected employees over a period of 20 years. And it drives up the suicide rate by 2 times. Number four, between the cost of severance and the loss of productivities, layoffs have some pretty nasty negative consequences for the company. And it is still not clear that they actually increase their profits. The irony is that these same companies were talking a year ago about their employees being the most important assets. Now, these layoffs, their decision, has reflected companies' real values. Let me know what you think.